Well, welcome back. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas break. I'm Miss Perkins. I'm going to be your honors physics teacher this semester. I'm going to have to be brutally honest with you. I have never taught honors chemistry. Honors physics before. I've taught physical science, which does a lot of general physics. Honors physics is similar, but it's a lot more detail. So we're going to be hitting some things that I haven't done in a while. I am certified to teach physics, so I can do it and I do understand it. I just have to relearn some of the concepts as we move along. I might not be as sharp on those the different things that we're going to be learning. So I just want y'all to bear with me. I like to be honest up front about things. I have not created a curriculum for this yet, so y'all are going to be my guinea pigs, and I will hopefully put together something that will work for all of us. You may actually be happy about that because I tend to grade a little more leniently when I'm learning myself how to present the information, and I try to learn from my mistakes. And sometimes because I know what I'm talking about doesn't mean that I am reflecting it in a way and presenting it in a way that makes sense. And I try to tweak and fix things to where I can simplify it enough that it makes sense. I have mastered the art of chemistry and teaching chemistry. I feel like I do a really good job of that. So I will be working hard to give you what you need. But I just want y'all to bear with me as we move through this wild ride of a semester we're going to have. Anyway, with that being said, I wanted to kind of go through and navigate the Schoology page with you. So our physics class has that lovely, I thought that was a real pretty picture with the physics, the word physics across it. So that's going to be the icon that you will click on. And when you go in, it just has a little welcome with the Newton's cradle and sound waves coming off the L, which are both physics things that we're going to hopefully tackle both of them through this semester. And then I set my Schoology page up with weeks. You will see the red folder, quarter 3 weeks, January 5th through March 17th. And it says you will find all weeks in quarter 3 here. You will be able to see the lesson plans for each week, and all other files will appear when we get to that week. Lesson plans are subject to change, but can give you a good idea of what we will be doing each day and when exams are scheduled. Now, when you go into quarter 3, you'll see all of the weeks. And when you go into each week, I usually have the lesson plan. But since this is my first time teaching honors physics, I do not have any lesson plans made up yet. I'm going to try to get them done. But it's hard to create a lesson plan ahead of time for a class you've never taught because your time management is off. You don't really know how long it's going to take for you and your students to do certain things. So I will probably be creating lesson plans as we move through it and making notes myself on how long it takes to do certain activities, certain labs, certain assignments. So you may never see an actual lesson plan ahead of time. But for the first day, we're just going to focus on lab safety. So I have virtual assignments for the first day within week 1. And there are 2 lab safety videos that you're going to watch, and they are Edpuzzles. So they have questions embedded in them that you're going to answer as you watch the video. Make sure you completely watch the video, like you let it go until it ends, or sometimes it won't put the grade into the grade book. If you do not watch it to the end, all I'm going to do is put zeros for anybody's grade that a grade's not there. So if you did 80% of the video, I'm not going and looking and finding out if you did any of the video. I'm just going to put a 0 in for that grade. So just make sure that you watch the entire thing and let the video play out. Now, there's also a lab safety quiz that you're going to take, and it will be graded as soon as you're done with it, and it will go into the grade book. That will be your first major grade. One of the lab safety videos will prompt you to go get your lab safety contract from the sub. I'm so sorry I can't be there today. I was supposed to be, but I am stuck in New York. Thousands of flights got canceled, including mine. So hopefully I will be back Wednesday night, and we'll get to meet all of you on Thursday. But anyway, go get the lab safety contract, and I need you to, from the sub, and I need you to get it signed by you and your parent or guardian, and I need you to bring it back as soon as possible, because I have to have that on file in order for you to participate in the lab experiences that I'm going to be setting up for us to do. Okay? And also get it before you do the lab safety quiz, because I'm going to go ahead and tell you, you can use it as a cheat sheet to take the lab safety quiz. Most of the lab safety quiz is common sense and things you should have heard over the years throughout all of your different science classes. But if you're not sure about a question, you can, scan over the lab safety contract, because there's a lot of information on it, and it might help you come up with the right answer for some of those questions and help you get a better grade on that lab safety quiz. Okay, if you have any questions for me at all, please don't hesitate to email me. I'll be checking my email tomorrow, or while y'all are in school. I'll be flying from airport to airport, but I will check it every so often. I have you third block, so third block won't be cut short for any reason. So y'all should have plenty of time to complete the 2 lab safety videos and the lab safety quiz in class and submit them. Okay, but again, if you have any questions, just email me as soon as you have those questions, because then it's time stamped, and I know that you were inquiring about it when it happened. I hope I see y'all on Thursday, and we'll hit the ground running.